Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your money has been growing while you slept. That's the power of investing, where every dollar begins to work like a silent partner in your future wealth. Most people think investing is only for the rich or highly educated, and that belief stops them before they even begin. But the truth is, anyone can start, even with a small amount and zero experience. Before you invest anything, you need to understand your purpose. Are you investing to retire early, build wealth, or create financial security for your children? A clear goal helps shape your decisions and keeps you committed when the market becomes unpredictable. Without a goal, you're just wandering, and wandering is the enemy of wealth building. Think of wealth like a journey, and your goals are the compass. When you know where you're headed, every choice becomes clearer and more valuable. Most new investors skip this part because they think the goal is simply make more money. But investing without purpose is like driving without a destination. You go fast, but get nowhere. Now, before you dive in, let's talk about the financial foundation. Investing works best when you have a safety net beneath you. Pay off high-interest debt and build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of expenses. This gives your investments time to grow without fear of being forced to withdraw early. Imagine building a house, but starting with the roof wouldn't last. Investing without stability works the same way. You may start strong, but one emergency can shatter everything. A stable foundation ensures your investments keep working, even when life doesn't go as planned. Next, we enter the most powerful concept in wealth creation: compound interest. It's interest on top of interest, growing faster than you can believe. Even if you start with $50 or $100 a month, compound growth can multiply that into tens or even hundreds of thousands over time. Time becomes your greatest ally, and the earlier you start, the stronger it becomes. People often ask, when is the best time to start investing? The answer is always the same: yesterday. The second best time is today. Waiting for the perfect moment only delays your future freedom. The market rewards time, not timing. So how do you actually begin? First, you need an investment platform or brokerage account. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity, Vanguard, and eTrade make it easy to start. Some even allow you to invest with just a single dollar, making the barrier to entry almost non-existent. After opening your account, the next step is deciding what to invest in. Many beginners make the mistake of trying to pick the next big stock, but that's higher risk and unpredictable. Instead, focus on simple and safe options like index funds or ETFs. These hold many companies in one basket, reducing risk and increasing long-term stability. Let's say you buy an S&P 500 index fund. You're not investing in one company, you're investing in 500 of them at once. That's instant diversification without needing to study individual stocks. It's like ordering the entire menu instead of trying to guess which dish is best. Once you know what to invest in, consider automating your contributions. This means setting up a regular schedule to deposit money weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This strategy, called dollar cost averaging, lets you buy in both good and bad markets. It removes emotion and helps you stay consistent, which is where real wealth grows. Emotion is the enemy of investing. When the market drops, most people panic and sell, locking in losses. But the biggest investors stay calm because they understand the market always recovers. Every crash in history has been followed by a new high, and those who stayed invested always came out on top. Risk is part of investing, and that scares many people away. But what they don't realize is that not investing is also a risk. Inflation eats your savings slowly but surely, reducing your buying power over time. So even if you keep money in a bank, you're still losing value in the long run. The goal isn't to avoid risk, it's to manage it. You can do this through diversification, long-term investing, and consistent contributions. Think of your investments like a garden. Some plants grow fast, some grow slow, but together they become something powerful over time. If you want a simple beginner strategy, consider the 80-20th rule. Put 80% of your money in index funds or ETFs and 20% in higher-risk assets like individual stocks, real estate, or even crypto. This gives you stability while still leaving room for growth. It's a balanced approach that suits most new investors. But remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick game. It's a get-rich-slow and forever strategy. You're not chasing fast money, you're building long-lasting wealth. Fast money is fragile, but long-term wealth is unshakable. As you grow more confident, you can explore more. Learn about dividend investing, where companies pay you just for owning their shares. Look into REITs, which let you invest in real estate without buying property. Study bonds, mutual funds, or even tech growth stocks. The deeper you go, the more opportunities you find. However, never invest in something you don't understand. Blind investing is like walking in fog. You won't see the cliff until you fall off. Take time to learn and let curiosity guide you step by step. The more you understand, the more confident you become. You might be thinking, what if I start with just a tiny amount? The truth is, everyone starts small. Even millionaires began with their first $10, $50, or $100 investment. What matters isn't how much you start with, but that you start at all. Small money grows into big money when given time and consistency. Imagine investing $100 a month. That's $1,200 a year. Doesn't sound like a lot, but with compounding. Now, let's talk about mindset. Investing requires patience, discipline, and confidence in the future. Some years will be great, others will test you. But the people who win are the ones who stay invested, even during the storms. Markets always recover, but investors who panic don't always recover their decisions. It helps to think long-term, not day-to-day. Don't stare at your portfolio every hour or obsess over every dip. Instead, let it breathe. Let it grow. You don't plant seeds and dig them up each day to check their progress. The biggest investing mistake is waiting. Waiting for more knowledge, more money, or a better market condition. But every day you wait is a day your money could be compounding. The perfect moment to start rarely arrives, but the right moment is always now. As your financial situation improves, increase your investing amount. Start with what you can afford. Then grow it slowly. Maybe $50 this month, $100 next month, then $200 later. This habit builds wealth quietly in the background while you live your life. Over time, investing becomes more exciting. You'll see your money multiplying and your confidence growing. Instead of worrying about bills, you'll start thinking about freedom. Freedom to travel, freedom to retire early, freedom to live life on your own terms. Your investment account becomes more than numbers, it becomes your future. Every dollar invested today is a gift to your future self. A version of you who is more free, more secure, and more prepared for life. That version of you will look back and thank you for starting early. So here's your plan in the simplest form possible. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Step 2. Invest in an index fund or ETF. Step 3. Automate your deposits. Step 4. Stay invested and let time do its work. That's it. That's the roadmap to wealth. Investing isn't just about money, it's about choice. The choice to live life with less stress, more opportunity, and greater control. The choice to break the cycle and build a future you can be proud of. The choice to let your money work even when you're not. You don't need to be born wealthy to end wealthy. You just need to believe it's possible and take the first small step. Start today, even if it's tiny. Every great investor was once a beginner who took the leap. The journey begins with one decision. A decision to stop letting money control you and, instead, start controlling your money. That decision can shape your destiny, your freedom, and your entire legacy. Start now, stay consistent, and watch your future transform one investment at a time.